Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to scan documents on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open Google Drive on your Samsung phone. Now if you have not installed Google Drive on your Samsung phone, then go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. And from here, you will be able to install Google Drive on your Samsung phone. After you install Google Drive on your Samsung phone, then tap on Open. Now to scan a document, just tap on the plus icon over here and select Scan. And from here, you will find two modes. By default, it is on Auto Capture, and in Auto Capture mode, your smartphone will automatically scan the document as your document fits in the frame of the camera, or you can select Manual. And in Manual mode, you will be able to scan the document by tapping on the shutter button over here. For now, I will select Manual. Now to scan a document, just place your document in front of the camera of your smartphone. And as your document fits this blue frame, just tap on the shutter button to scan the document. And as you can see, we have successfully scanned the document. Now, if you're not satisfied with the result, you can tap on discard and you can scan the document again. And you also have the option to edit the scanned document from here. You can crop the scanned document from here. You can apply filters to your document. Also, you can use enhanced mode. And if you enable enhanced mode, it will automatically edit your scanned document. And once you're satisfied with the result, then tap on next. And under the file name section, you can give a name to the scanned document. For an example, I will name it document 1. And after that, you can select the format of the scanned document. You can save your document in a PDF format or in a JPEG format. Just select the one which you like. I will select JPEG. Under the location section, you can select the location where you want to save your document. And you can also create a folder in case if you want to save your documents in a single folder. For now, I will tap on select, then tap on upload. And after doing that, you will upload your scanned document to your Google Drive. Now, if you want to find and locate the scanned documents on your smartphone, first of all, just open Google Drive, then tap on home. Now, in the search bar, just search the name of your document. And as you can see, this is the document which we have scanned. Now, if you want to save this document to your smartphone, just tap on the three dots over here and select download. And once you do that, you will download the scanned document to your smartphone. Now, if you go to your home screen and open the Gallery app, as you can see, this is the document which we have scanned earlier. And this is how you can scan documents on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.